Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into class variables in Python, which are shared across all instances of a class. To demonstrate this concept, we'll use a class named BankAccount. First, let's start by understanding what a class variable is. Unlike instance variables, which are unique to each instance of a class variables are shared across all instances of the class. This means that if one instance modifies the class variable, the change will be reflected in all other instances. Let's see this in action. We'll create a class called BankAccount, and within it, we'll define a class variable called bankName, which will store the name of the bank. Here, the variable bankName is shared among all instances of the BankAccount class. It's defined at the class level, meaning every account holder will have their account at Global Trust Bank. Now let's create some instances of this class to see how the class variable works. Now, we can access the class variable bankName from both account 1 and account 2. Since it's a class variable, it remains consistent across all objects. So far, everything looks normal. But what if we decide to change the value of bankName? Let's modify it using one of our objects and see what happens. As you can see, modifying the bankName variable affected all instances of the BankAccount class because it's shared. Class variables are a great way to store values that are common across all instances of a class, like the name of the bank in our example. To recap, class variables are defined at the class level and are shared by all instances. This makes them different from instance variables, which are unique to each object. In our BankAccount class, the bankName variable was a class variable, shared across all accounts, while each account's balance and holder name were unique to that instance. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out more Python content in the description below.